In digital warehouse management, everything revolves around the master data. After initially entering the master data on the setup of your warehouse, they must be consistently maintained and updated to ensure effective and smooth order processing and fulfillment. The master data provide important information about an item and affect its handling within the warehouse. For instance, the appropriate storage location for an item can be determined based on its dimensions and weight. Your inventory shows the amount of goods in stock and when replenishment is needed. First, you need to create an item master. Item master data refers to the basic master data of an item. These include, for example, the identification, such as an article number or an EAN code, the description, such as an article short description or a manufacturer type designation, the categorization, such as an ERP material group number, features such as dimensions, weight and color, order information such as an order unit and minimum order quantity, additional multimedia data such as images or PDF files, and classifications such as custom goods or hazardous goods. Once the item master data has been created, the warehouse structure is set up. A warehouse consists of a variety of bin locations, where each bin location is defined by a storage type and a bin master. The storage type determines the kind of processes a bin location is intended for, such as storage, picking, goods issue, or goods receipt. The bin location master specifies the type, the number, and the permitted dimensions and weight specifications of the load support carriers permitted for each location. Therefore, master data about load support carriers, which are the carriers that are used to hold and transport goods within the warehouse, need to be defined. Some examples include Europallet, bin 60x40, or small bin. Dimensions and weight of the load support carriers are of primary importance. The partner master data contains information about all involved actors, their contact persons, address data, and role assignments. Examples of these roles are customer, supplier, or freight carrier. After this first look at the master data, let's start setting up the processes.